Contact center automation involves leveraging technology to automate various aspects of the contact center's operations, such as routing calls, responding to customer inquiries, and analyzing customer data. Here are some steps to help you get started with contact center automation. Identify your goals. Determine the specific areas of the contact center you want to automate and what you hope to achieve. For example, you may want to improve call routing efficiency or reduce the time it takes to respond to customer inquiries. Assess your current technology. Evaluate your existing systems and tools to identify any gaps or areas where automation can be implemented. This may include customer relationship management, CRM, software, chatbots, or interactive voice response, IVR, systems. Choose the right automation tools. Once you have identified the areas of the contact center you want to automate, research and select the right automation tools to meet your needs. For example, you may want to implement chatbots for simple inquiries or voice recognition technology for call routing. Develop an automation plan. Create a detailed plan for implementing automation in your contact center. This plan should include timelines, budgets, and a project management strategy. Test and refine. Before fully implementing automation, conduct extensive testing to ensure that it works as intended. Refine the automation tools and processes as needed to optimize performance. Train staff. Ensure that your staff is trained on the new automation tools and processes. This will help them adapt to the changes and ensure a smooth transition. Monitor and optimize. Continuously monitor and optimize your contact center automation to ensure that it is achieving your goals. Use data analytics to identify areas for improvement and adjust your automation strategy as needed. By following these steps, you can successfully implement contact center automation to improve efficiency, reduce costs, and enhance customer experiences.